What I feel is that for the Indian audience, there are multiple formats in which you can actually reach them. It doesn't just have to be the traditional podcast format, right? It could just literally be something you put up on YouTube. It could be something that you're just sharing on Twitter. I feel that putting it across social really helps.
Hmm.
What even helps is like what stops, like someone told me the other day, what stops me from having a WhatsApp podcast? I said nothing stops you from having a WhatsApp podcast.
When you started your podcast at the first time, like no, you might have 10 listens or 15 listens a day. So how do you tackle with that, and how do you grow? Because uh, podcasting as such in India itself, nobody is listening to it. I mean, nobody knows about it. Like when I tell my friends that I'm doing a podcast, I first have to explain them that what a podcast is. Like the best way I explain is ये YouTube है, YouTube में वीडियो देखता है, podcast में ऑडियो सुना देता है. So this is how I explain. But still, that they are not used to it. But this is almost equal to reading books, right? So how do we get that thing? How do we make people in India understand the value of podcast, and how do we increase our followers in also? That's my question.
So honestly, the way I'm seeing podcasts evolve in India, right? I think that the way we look at podcasts always is how it was in the West, in terms of the fact that there's obviously had rock radio. India never had talk radio. All our radio was just playing music, and the RJ would speak in between. And so we never had talk radio because of regulations and everything else. I'm not getting into that. But what I feel is that for the Indian audience, there are multiple formats in which you can actually reach them. It doesn't just have to be the traditional podcast format, right? It could just literally be something you put up on YouTube. It could be something that you're just sharing on Twitter. I feel that putting it across social really helps. What even helps is like what stops, like someone told me the other day, what stops me from having a WhatsApp podcast? I said nothing stops you from having a WhatsApp podcast, right? You can just find a bunch of people. You can just have a broadcast list, send it to them, because end of the day, the term podcast came because it was an audio file that could go onto an iPod. That's why it's called a podcast, right? So, so find what your podcast involves. You should just find what kind of an audience you want to kind of get, and just kind of figure the way in which they kind of get their content. So if the way they get content is on WhatsApp, then that's the medium you're going to use, right? A lot of people keep talking about, okay, is Clubhouse going to take away from podcasts? Is Twitter Spaces going to take away? Everyone's doing audio now, right? So I feel that podcast will almost become a way in which you give content, because you feel audio is a simpler way for you, or like this kind of what we're doing right now is a podcast. Like
Exactly.
the recording of this is that. So as long as you can find the way to reach them, and then you have to it's a long game. Podcasts are a long game. I remember that for my first almost 25-40 episodes, I didn't even check what my listens were, because I said no point. Let me just see if I can do it first. I mean, you want to get a little confidence that you can actually do it. After that, it was almost okay, can the numbers kind of come in a little bit and stuff like that and figure it out. But end of the day, you need to figure a way for people to discover you. The biggest problem with podcasts is to people to discover, because sometimes they might just find your podcast by chance and they might like it. But how do they find it is a problem we're all facing. It's a universal problem. It's not even an India problem. It's a global problem. So everybody tries to find different ways to find an audience, right? So which is why I said, like, you got to find a way to know, okay, these are the kind of people who might like it. So if it's, let's say, if your audience is in college, or if your audience is in a certain, a certain workplace, I'm just trying to throwing random examples here. What you can actually kind of do is, okay, how do I connect with them?